Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bert and I'm currently exploring the northern part of Vietnam. If the scenes in the intro was unfamiliar to you, that's probably because I'm in an untouristy part of Vietnam, Giang. I guess the distance from Hanoi to here is a deterrence factor, but I heard on the internet that this place is amazing, which is why I'm here to check it out and I'll give you my honest opinion after. Also, I highly recommend the services of Mr. Hung Guest House if you ever need a tour or if you need a motorbike, because their staff has been very friendly and they could speak English rather fluently. So yeah. So without further ado, let's begin the road trip. Cue the cinematics. So I stopped at this random place for lunch and this lovely bunch of Vietnamese people invited me to join them.
Hi!
And they invited me to join them for the rest of the road trip.
Let's go!
So what are we seeing here?
Yeah, we see the old house.
Old house?
Yeah, old house of the nation.
Okay. Annie, can you tell people why your bag's so small? why your bag so small?
Because I sponsor my bag.
What can you put inside? What do you put inside?
My phone, tissue.
Phone, lipstick.
Many things. You see the Doraemon.
Doraemon.
Bag, yeah.
Oh, okay,
like
okay. Later, anything I ask you, okay? Oh, story of Pao.
The story of this is the movie famous in Vietnam.
Okay.
In all time ago.
Mẹ cho gì cha? Hả? Mẹ cho mẹ.
Picnic in the mountains. Oh, nice. How y'all say cheers? Cheers also?
Yo!
Yo! Okay, time to wrap up day one. So it started out pretty ordinary, but halfway into the journey, the view started getting really spectacular. And it really helped that I made some new friends along the way. They are Vietnamese from Ho Chi Minh and they're here on holiday as well. And I'm going to be continuing the second part of the journey today with them. So I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. So that's it for today. See you soon.